Hi, I'm Natasha DeCosta, and today I'm going to give you 5 reasons how farming helps students with geography. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You want to hit the bell too, so that you get lots of small tips that you can do at home and make studying fun for your children. So the Indian peninsula mainly grows rice, and our ancestors have figured the perfect recipe to make it a high yielding crop. And interestingly, it has math, it has geography, it has tradition, history, festivals, all of them combined to give us a high yielding crop. Let me show you how. So let's talk biology. So it's raining here in India and it's the monsoons and everybody is growing rice. Why rice? Because it loves the rain. In fact, the traditional method that we use requires you to flood the entire field, and when you do this, it's an invitation for frogs, crabs and other creatures that these guys feed on to jump in. What's in it for us? Well, that means a lot of good nitrogen, a lot of good fertilizer for the crops, and no weeds. Science. So it's raining here, we are in the monsoons, we've got the thunder, we've got the lightning, we've got the rain, and how's it helping? Well, the rain and the lightning, okay, they fix a lot of nitrogen in the soil. Again, that's a energy booster for our plants to make the rice grow up tall and strong, and no fertilizers. That's a win-win. Math. So as the rice sapling keeps growing, it increases in width. So our farmers actually leave about a foot's distance between each sapling. So later on it is easy to harvest it, and during the 3 months it's easy to water, it's easy to monitor and take care of the plants. So we have an x-axis, a y-axis, which we have to try and fit our plants in. Group dynamics. This is my favorite part. So we come together in a busload of children, students, parents, kids, and everyone's like, okay, fine, we're going to help the farmers grow some rice, which we will get later. How difficult can it be, right? So we get into the field and we're thinking, okay, let's make groups, let's make chains, let's only do picking up, passing, or only planting. And maybe after about half an hour or so, maybe about 200, 300 saplings have been planted, which is not more than 1% of the farm space. And we look back and we're like, and I can hear my students say, oh miss, we're only students, you know, those farmers, they're professionals. Why? Maybe the lines are all gone wrong, or maybe it's not that simple after all, but it was fun. Oh my god, did I tell you that there is a spa therapy in this as well? Well, yes, the flooded fields of paddy are amazing for mud therapy. So in the beginning, when we're going into the rice paddy field, I have a lot of like, oh my gosh, I don't want to get into that. And later on, and mind you, not only the children but also the teachers, they were like, this feels so divine, I don't want to get out of it. So yes, that's the amazing thing about farming, right? You have math, you have your science, you have spa, and you have a whole lot of fun while putting this all together. Statistics shows that this method, this traditional method of transplanting and growing rice, has the highest yield, lowest fertilizer requirement, and most amount of fun. So what are you waiting for? Can you grow this at home? Yes, you can. Try growing the rice you have already. Put it in a big pot with at least 12 inches of space. let it be out where it gets a lot of sunlight and a lot of rain, because it loves the rain, and enjoy the rains. I'm Natasha DeCosta, signing off.